Hey guys, welcome back. Today we got the first hands-on video of Samsung Galaxy Foldable smartphone. This is not official, this is not from Samsung. This hands-on video from YouTube channel name goes to Phone of Time. The Galaxy Foldable smartphone was not given to media for hands-on presentation, so this is actually first ever real-world look of Galaxy Foldable smartphone. The guy basically unlocked the Galaxy Fold, which is locked on AT&T network, so that it can run non-AT&T SIM card. So this Galaxy Foldable smartphone with model number AT&T EF900. But the more interesting thing about the video is actually the Galaxy Fold. So you can see that the video starting with Galaxy Fold booting up. We have the Samsung logo. This come with AT&T logo. And then we are at the lock screen, and now the display all black because of wallpaper being black. We can see a visible case in the middle. This is something we see in Huawei Mate X, as well as you can see it is there, it is noticeable. And the guy of Galaxy Fold having a beautiful butterfly wallpaper, and he swipe up to unlock, and we have the One UI with Android 9.0. And when he unlocked the device, when we have some colorful stuff on display, we cannot really see the crease that much as we see on a black background. So as you see here, the crease is visible, but as you see open up the keypad, we cannot really see it. I believe with black background and certain light of reflection, the crease will be visible, but not gonna be that much obvious when we have bright light on the display. Now the guy fold the smartphone from bigger screen to small screen with 4.6-inch display, so that can easily put in one hand or in your pocket. So the cover display is really small. So there is a certain classy business look of the Galaxy Fold. You can see we have the fingerprint sensor on side similar to Samsung S10e, along with a volume rocker and big speaker key, everything on right. If you look closely, we have a SIM card tray as well for inserting the SIM card. And since there is the AT&T device, we have the AT&T plot where as well as you see. And once again, when open the setting application, everything is white, cannot see the crease on display. Again, it's more visible with black background. Now interesting things that I noticed, here is the setting faces that actually run on One UI 1.2 compare the 1.1 version we have on the Galaxy S10 family, S9. So it's a bit of different in number of, probably because the tablet has a different feature like using 3 apps at the same time on one display. So it's almost 15 minutes. The guy basically unlocked the device when he processing to enter the network, unlock code so that could run easily any SIM card. So this device, if you get the Galaxy Fold, if you want to be completely unlocked guy, might be the one to go with. But anyway, interesting thing is the real life, real world look the Galaxy Fold again. It's look really interesting. So that's all guys. Rest of the shot I'm gonna keep you update on these devices, so consider subscribing for that always. I will see you tomorrow. Till then, goodbye.